In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror column automations in Monday.com. We'll start on your Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're logged into the account and workspace where you want to set this up. At the top of the screen, click the puzzle-shaped apps icon. This opens the marketplace, which is where you can browse tools that extend your boards. You can take a moment to look around, but for now we'll go straight to what we need. Use the marketplace search bar and type mirror column. In the results, locate mirror column automation and open its listing. This is the add-on that lets you automatically reflect values from one place to another, saving you from copying updates by hand. On the listing page, click Install App. You'll be prompted to choose where the app will be available. You'll see options for all workspaces and specific workspaces. It's helpful to know the difference. All workspaces makes the app available everywhere in your account, while specific workspaces keeps it limited to selected spaces. You can preview both options to understand the scope. Then, for this walkthrough, select all workspaces. When you're ready, click Install to confirm. Depending on your account settings, you may need admin permissions to proceed. Next, choose the workspace where you plan to use the automation, and then choose the board you want to connect it to. Confirm the board selection if prompted so the app knows exactly where to live. Inside that board, look for the option to add app and select it. From the list, pick Mirror Column Automation. This attaches the app to the board so you can use its features right away. You'll see an option to use template. Click that to speed things up with a pre-built configuration designed for mirrored columns. Templates are helpful because they include suggested settings and reduce setup time, especially if you're new to this feature. Finally, click Create Automation. That activates the automation on your board. From here, the app will guide how mirrored values behave between your connected items and columns. If you're collaborating with a team, let them know the automation is live so they understand why values are updating automatically. If you ever need tighter control, remember you can reinstall for specific workspaces or adjust which board you attach the app to. And that's it. You've installed Mirror Column Automation from the marketplace, added it to your board, applied the template, and created the automation so your columns stay in sync without manual work.